In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer invoice for online entrepreneurs using Xero. Whether you're a seasoned online entrepreneur or just getting started, understanding how to create an invoice is crucial for maintaining smooth business operations. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero login page and enter your email and password. Once you've input your credentials, click the login button. This will take you to your Xero dashboard, the central hub for managing your accounting tasks. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the business menu. Clicking on this will reveal several options, so go ahead and select Invoices. This is where you'll manage all the customer invoices for your business. Afterwards, select New Invoice to get started on a fresh invoice. Xero is designed to streamline the invoicing process, starting with the selection of a customer from your contact list. If this is a new customer, you can easily add them at this stage. The system will typically auto-generate an invoice number for you, but feel free to edit this if necessary for your records. Now let's move on to the details section. You have the option to add a reference, which can be useful if you need to refer back to specific projects or order numbers. Once that's settled, let's set the dates. Your invoice will default to today's date as the issue date, but you can adjust this if you need to backdate or set a future date. Don't forget to specify the payment due date, which can be crucial for maintaining a healthy cash flow. Next, begin entering the details of the items or services you're billing for. It's important to clearly describe each item, along with the quantity and price. Accurate descriptions help avoid any confusion or follow-up questions from your customers. Ensure that for each item, you select the correct account and assign the appropriate tax rate to ensure compliance and accuracy in your financial reporting. If there are any important documents or files related to the invoice, now is the time to attach them. You can do this by clicking on Attach Files. Whether it's a contract or a specification sheet, attaching these documents can help clarify the charges for your customer. Finally, it's time to decide how you'd like to save the invoice. You can click Save and Close to store it as a draft, or simply Save to finalize it. If you're ready for the customer to view it, you can go ahead and choose Approve and Email, which sends the invoice directly to the customer's inbox. This not only saves time, but ensures that your billing cycle continues seamlessly. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on creating an invoice in Xero for online entrepreneurs. Using these steps, you can efficiently manage your invoicing process and keep your business running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you take your business to the next level.